All right, there go. Told you the extension I'm doing for the meat birds. We just put some chicken wire all around it. I think y'all can see that. So I'm just finna tighten up the, zip tie up the little, zip tie up the little corners like that. And I'm gonna let the rooster bros out and run around in there. Then y'all, it'll make sense. You'll see better why I did that. Cause this eventually, this gonna be for meat birds. See how long it is now? I got 24 feet. So that's 24 by 8. Do the math. I don't know what that is in my head, but that's plenty of room for them to run around, play, and they got shade in the back. Shade and cover back there in the back, and they can run around out here. All right, so I'm gonna it's the last step. Let me tighten up these holes, and I'm gonna let them out, and then I'll bring y'all back in. You can check it out. All right, y'all. That's it. So now the rooster bros coming out for the first time. See what I'm saying? Just give them a protected space. Let me back up. Look at them girls. They're like, ooh, look at them roosters. That's a handsome one right there. Y'all ain't getting y'all little freaky butts in there. But you see what I'm saying? It's bird proof, predator proof. That way they get a little more room where they can come out. But this ain't for them. This is gonna be for the meat birds. But I'm just using them for a test run. But that's basically it. Then I gotta bring my hot wire. I just about to basically bring that up around here now and then. That'll be it. But that's pretty much it, y'all. That's what I was trying to do. Connected the wire right there. Put the new wire up all the way around. There it is. A successful extension. Now we can go find us a meat bird. Don't worry, I explained to y'all the meat bird thing. It's better if I show it to you. All right, that's it. Project done.